I'm going to show you how to buy TRX or Tron in the Phantom Wallet app. Now, the first thing you do is you open up the app like I've done so here, and you just click on the buy option in the top right hand corner of the screen. And you can actually see these are all the coins we can buy directly. But what we want to do is we go to the search bar and type in TRX, and you can see nothing comes up. So we need to buy Ethereum or Solana so we can swap it into TRX. So I'm going to buy $10 of Ethereum or 0.003, and you can actually click on credit or debit card or any of these payment methods. And once you've actually bought your Ethereum, you'll have it in your Phantom Wallet app. And now we need to swap it. So what we do is we click on the search bar in the top right hand corner of the screen, type in the word TRX like so. You can see it'll come up like so. Click on it, and you want to click on the swap option in the left hand of the screen and enter how much Ethereum you actually want to swap. If it wants to be 0.01, and it'll show you'll receive about 13 Tron, and it'll show the dollar amount just right here. And you click on where it says insignificant funds, but that'll say buy for you if you have Ethereum. And yeah, you'll be able to own some TRX in the Phantom Wallet app.